This video helps explain figure 2.8, which shows the hearing and speech centres in the brain. It is these areas which process electrical signals from the cochlea to give us the perception of hearing, to make speech meaningful, to understand language, interpret non-speech sounds, and to help us to speak. As hearing and speech are our highest physiological abilities as humans, these areas have a number of complex tasks to perform and to do so rapidly. If you're not used to seeing anatomical diagrams, then this diagram shows the left side of the brain or left hemisphere looked at from the left. This is the front of the brain, then this must be the back and the top. And the reason we're looking at the left side is that the parts of the brain that control language, speech and hearing are on the left side of the brain in about 97% of people. Just to give you some orientation when looking at the brain, this is a model of the human brain as seen from the front. These are the two hemispheres of the brain, right and left, and because people get mixed up between left and right in ordinary life, in anatomy, right and left are always taken with reference to the subject or patient. It's their left or right, never our left or right as the observer. In this video, we're going to look at the language areas, which in most people are found in the left hemisphere. As language is our highest ability, the left hemisphere is often referred to as our dominant hemisphere. However, it's dominant only in this regard. In other diagrams that we're going to look at, we're going to see the left hemisphere from the left side. You'll probably notice some terms are being used such as areas and primary. Nerve cells that perform similar functions are often grouped together into areas, somewhat like an office building where people with similar jobs are grouped into, say, accounts, dispatch, HR or marketing. Making sense of the electrical signals that come from the ears is a highly complex process involving many areas of the brain. Processing must start somewhere, and these are the primary areas. For ease of understanding, we'll only be looking at primary areas. Only the briefest of detail will be given here, as this video is just an introduction to three main areas. The first area is the primary auditory area, which processes sounds and speech. Wernicke's area, which interprets the meaning of speech, and Broca's area, involved with language production. All three areas work together and with numerous other areas in the brain. Various forms of hearing, speech and language disorder can be attributed to disordered functioning in these areas.